Guys, so on the I did cover all this stuff with this metal here I got at the local metal supply place, so nothing can fall down behind. Did all three sides. Nothing falling behind there. The same thing over there. Now what I'm doing on this stuff is it's only one, it's aluminum here in the back, so I'm going to do is I put this angle iron in, and I bolted this angle iron in here, the perforated angle iron, and I'm going to cut a piece of plywood, 1/2-inch plywood, and screw it in. So when I put stuff on here, you know, it hits the plywood in the back. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. Wherever I could be putting stuff, I'm going to, you know, put plywood so I don't dent the outside of the truck. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to put it all along the back here. You know, maybe up top there, I might not do it up there because it's got a shelf already. I'm not sure yet, but anything like this, you know, you could throw stuff in there and it could dent the back of the truck and chip the paint, so I don't want to do that. So I have some 2x, I have some plywood that I have from the other truck that's going to fit in here, right along here. Probably not going, I'm probably just going to go up to here. I'll be fine. It's just a work truck. I use what I got, and I have some. I bought a couple of more sheets of plywood because I gotta do some work down here and make shelving or whatnot. But that's what I'm working on today. And I did get some more unistrut. I'm probably gonna put a rail along the whole thing. Might even go like that. It might even look better. Screw it in from the back. I'm not sure yet. Might put it on the bottom. That's even better. Like right along this way. That might even be better. But wherever there's a rail, there's going to be a piece of unistrut, so I could put bungees on there and whatever I gotta do. Alright guys, so I got the top and the middle one done. A lot of work, man. A lot of flipping work. But they're fastened in there good with it. I put the angle iron and I put these screws in. The self tap is, it's a 3/8. That thing ain't going nowhere. You know, and on the top there, I extended the unistrut up as much as I could so I could hook a bungee cords on them hooks there. I'm gonna have to do something with this. I might be able to run a, I could run a piece of unistrut along here if I want, or might be able to drill holes and hook into here. Well, there are holes here that I could hook the bungee to also. There's holes right there I could hook the bungees to. I'm gonna do this bottom yet. I want to protect the outside because if not, it's gonna get dented. I know that for sure. So we'll do this side. We're gonna do all in here, all along there, and I got unistrut here if I need it to cut for them risers. But I got I'm trying to use up what I got for pieces. I got a bunch of pieces, and I could use it up. It's just bolted together. I'm bolting it together with these 5/16 nuts and washers, nuts and bolts. I bolt that unistrut right in there tight, tighten it up with my wrenches, and that's a secure. That's, and actually strengthening the outside of the truck at the same time, right? Because that's just aluminum. Them aluminum risers, so all this unistrut actually strengthening the truck as I go here. Oh, it's coming along. I gotta do this side, then I gotta do this one, and I'll do along here. I don't think I have to do anything behind the tanks. Because the tanks are going to stop so I'm not gonna worry about that. I might have to do something down below there along that back, I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out. It's not gonna be really a lot going in the bottom down there. I have to be careful with that. We'll have to see. But along here I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do all these sections, so all plywood. So if I put stuff up there, it's not gonna dent the outside of the truck. You know? And I didn't go all the way up. I mean, I don't have to go all the way up and notch it. I don't need that. It's 18 inches. The strip's 18 inches, it looks fine. Cutting all the stuff out there on my pickup truck on the skill saw. That's all the wood I took out of my other truck. I picked up a couple of more sheets. I might have to go get more, I don't know yet. And once I get this back all done, I can start loading everything back in here. And when this is all done, I can start on Miss Molly's seat and all inside here. This is all gonna be customized, and it's a lot of flipping work, guy. Maybe a couple of weeks worth of work in this thing, for sure. Maybe more. Alright guys, this job kicked my ass. Holy shit. I got it all done. Got it all done. This all the way down. This side all done. The top here. Kicked my ass. All the way down. I even pulled these refrigerant containers out, and I put it in the back there the whole way. So it's 100%. Then I refastened. I refastened everything, but I'll make some adjustments here, a little here and there, and that's all done there, down here, even on the bottom, both sides. Got this side all done, all done here. The top kicked my ass. I did make this little thing here for what I gotta do is just put a bungee on it. So I had to cut this out so I could get the cotton there, and I had to put a brace. But these are all fastened. These got double bolts, and I added extra bolts here on this thing, so this thing can't tip up like it was before. And you know, and you can see that hole there. So if I want to put bungee cords on it, I got access right there. That's why I left it down. I left everything down 1.5 inches, so I got access to that hole, and they'll be fine. Next thing I gotta do is build this here for my toolboxes. Well, it's coming along. This way here, you know, if you put something in there, it's not going to dent the back of the truck. So, kind of important. I think it kind of really kicked my ass today. Been going all day. 2:30. Probably going to have to get some more plywood. So I used up basically all the plywood, and I used up all the angle iron from the other truck. The only thing that's left is this right here from the other truck, and I need that for all the shelving. So all the angle iron I took out of the other truck, I used over here on this. You know, for these braces to screw it in. And this thing's not going anywhere. What a flipping job from hell. The job from hell, mama.